What's going on, everybody? Ghost Dog Gaming here. I have been looking a lot for a long time in the junkyard for a Pagani or a Lotus, and I still haven't found one. And just to make sure they are actually in the junkyards, I have seen other YouTube videos of other people that play this game that have found them in the junkyard, so they do exist. I'm just not having really good luck with it right now, finding one, which is fine. I'm going to sit here and keep cracking at it, keep trying to find one. When I do find one, we'll definitely do. That'll be like the next restoration build for the series for the channel here. But for now, we are going to rebuild this DC Typhoon. And before we do, I just wanted to let you guys know that I did rebuild this Outlaw. We're going to send it to the dyno. I didn't want to, and by dyno I mean paint shop, not really. I didn't actually run it on the dyno yet, but I did put the souped up V8 OHV that we built and put in the other hot rod. I swapped it out, put it in here because I think it looks cooler. I like the it's black, but it's like a metallic black, but it's got the very subtle gray flames. It looks I like the look of it. But the other one we rebuilt the almost the same. It's the same exact V8 OHV engine. We put it in the other Smith and Parker hot rod. So let's see what sort of horsepower this has. It should be the same, I think, somewhere maybe near the 1,900 mark. Yeah, 1,035. So apparently we get like an extra 30 horsepower almost 20, well, 25, 26 horsepower. That's all good. All right. We're going to move him to the parking spot. I still need to organize my parking garage. And of course, I have my Smith truck out here. Can't forget that guy. I love this truck, man. It's such a cool truck. All right, but for now, let's go ahead and get this. Let's get this DC Typhoon Restoration started with our car wash. That silver and blue actually looks pretty nice. We might keep that silver and blue color. That looks good. I was going to go with the blue with the white stripes, but we'll see. We'll see how it is, how it looks after we've rebuilt everything. All right, I don't think... Actually, hold on. We got to take the transmission off anyways. We got a pretty decent engine in there, so... I do want to put the V8 OHV with the air scoop in it. I really do, but I can't remember because if you close it, I feel like that's going to poke through and kind of look awkward. Oh yeah, there's an oil pan there, so we'll just play it safe here and drain the engine. That was quick. All right, let's get this drive shaft off. Is there a starter? There is a starter. Perfect. Wow, we got a lot of parts here. I wonder where we got. I mean, this guy probably had to have been a barn car or something, because it was. There's no way. There's no way all these parts are here. All right, slow it back down. Get the engine out. Actually, hold on. Let me see what kind of engine is in it. Nope. There we go. V8 2-carb OHV. We'll stick with that. Down. I did actually look and find... I don't want to say find. I did find a Pagani and a Lotus in the car auction, but they were in the auction section, not in like the scrapyard section. So that would have been pretty expensive. And I'm not trying to spend that much money. I'm trying to find a broken one in a junkyard so we can rebuild it and make a pretty sweet car. And if we find two, if we find two of the same Pagani for sure, I would love to do a full like restoration and sell it and see just how much money we would get, because I have a feeling it would be quite a bit, especially with high performance parts in it and stuff. But for now, it's the DC Typhoon. I think I've built one of these before in the past. I can't remember. Go ahead and get this stuff off here. Oh, I wish I would have been able to find a Pagani or a Lotus, because I really want to rebuild one. Alright, get this upper arm off here. No rusted bolts. Yeah, I think this was definitely a barn car, because this thing has I say this now, right? This thing has very limited, like, rusted bolts. So it was definitely, like, well kept. Let's get over here and get this brake caliper off. Hope everybody is having a good Friday. If you're watching this and you're working, you've made it to Friday. A couple more hours and the weekend will be here. I have already promised one of my friends that I'll be playing Elden Ring. I'm not really too excited about that because I'm not too good at Elden Ring, if I'm being honest. I got stomped pretty good, so I had to stop playing. But I told him I'd give it another go, so I'm going to probably play that. I'm not going to stream it for now because you guys don't want to see me kill the same enemy over and over again. Oops, there we go. We got some small rubber bushings here because it's got the leaf spring. Let's get these U-bolts off. Oh, I think we got two rusted bolts here. That other U-bolt right there looks like it's got a rusted. Yep. Called it. And that one's also rusted over there. Okay, get this guy. That's it for this side, right? Yeah. All right, let's get over here. Brake shoe, cylinder. Wow, that's a really rusted part and no rusted bolts. I'll take it. Is that? Yep, that one's rusted. Okay. Ah, neither of these are rusted. That's good. All right, let's get this last rubber bushing off. And we're done. Okay, let's start repairing what we can. Hopefully we can repair a lot of these parts. Oh no! That was a pretty expensive part to break too. I also don't think we have a spare either. I'm not gonna lie. With especially with the old Car Mechanic Simulator, I would rather instead of playing this little goofy mini game, I would rather have just the table where I can just hammer the X button and hopefully, not break apart versus this where like this is really tedious as far as just back and forth, back and forth. Hello, hello, welcome. I was just telling everyone how tedious this repairing system is and how I don't think it's as good as the Car Mechanic Simulator that came out in 2017, 2019, 2017. Um, the one that came out before this one. Um, so I would rather just hit the X button, and just see if my part breaks or if it gets fixed. Once we get all these parts done, we'll start working back on the suspension for the DC Typhoon here. Almost done. Come on, last two pieces. The one that really counts. Oh, we gotta do it again. There we go. All right. Oh, crap. I gotta separate the tires. These are all 17-inch rims, it looks like. And they're all 255/65s. Okay. Let's go get our tires. Vintage tires, right? Looks like vintage tires. Or were they race tires? Oh, they're race tires. Yeah, race tires. Okay. 255/65. $255/65. All right, we got our tires. We'll see we'll see which wheels we can repair. And then if we can repair any, that would be great. Okay, we can repair two. That'll save us some money. All right, now let's go get our rim Typhoon. Oops. Oh, hi Zonda rims. 17. All right, let's get these guys together. I really wish this was multiplayer, man. This would be a lot of fun to have like either multiplayer. Actually, Tank Mechanic Simulator did it really well. You had an option to actually give the hey, what's up, Cater Todd? You actually had the option to have a like a company or like someone else repair a part on Tank Mechanic Simulator, and it would just cost you a certain bit of time, right? It would be like, okay, it takes 5 minutes for someone to fix this part, and I feel like they should have done that here in Car Mechanic Simulator. That would have definitely been good. Let's see, that was Swaybar front end link B. Hope you're doing well, Barg. Cater Tot, sorry, Cater Tot. Ah, you're at work. But the good news is it's Friday, so the freaking weekend is right around the corner, right? Okay, get this guy, wheel hub. Oh, we got both our axles fixed. Sweet. So we don't have to buy any axles. We got our drum brake cylinder. We got one brake shoe fixed. All right, let's go ahead and grab our one brake shoe. Ah, you work tomorrow. Well, that stinks. I'm sorry. Are you going to be streaming tonight, Cater Tot? All right. I was just about to ask that. For to see if you were going to be streaming your painting tonight. So I will be over there and join you and watch. For those of you that are that will be watching this later, Cater Tot is also on Twitch, and she streams paintings. She does a lot of like character models and character paintings and stuff. Got a pretty large following, right? And I don't mean large as in like it's me because I'm fat. I'm kidding. All right, U-bolts are on. Our last small rubber bushing, Cater Tot's favorite word. Rubber bushing. All right, wheel hub, solid rear drive axle, and then our last four pieces here, brake shoe, brake drum, and our tire. Haha. Oh, that's too nice of you, Cater Tot. Thank you. All right, let's get this. And I think I bought my 12 rubber bushings. Yes. 12 rubber bushings. There's 2. And we repaired our steering rack, I think. Yes. Okay, so we need front sway bar B. Front sway bar B. Oh, let me go ahead and grab our dual wishbone shock absorbers, our front springs. Okay, inner tie rods, outer tie rods. That should be it. Let me go ahead and assemble our springs first. Oh, can I lathe my brakes? Let me lathe the brakes first, see if I can do that. Oh, I can. Yes, we're going to save some money there. I keep hitting triangle to go back, and I know I shouldn't. And I think I need one caliper. I like this new add-on right here. This brake disc ventilated brake disc thing. I don't know who made that decision in Car Mechanic Simulator, but you deserve a raise. That was a good add-on for sure. I'm just taking off parts here so I don't have to do as much later. Uh-oh, a couple of rusted parts here. This is V8 OHV parts just as well. Okay. All right, let's get that brake or disc. Let's get that front assembly done. Okay. There's the inner tie rod and our sway bar. Then our front steering knuckle, 100%. Really glad we got to repair those. All right, you go make them pretty. Thanks for lurking. So we need a, what was that, lower suspension arm B? Lower suspension arm A? We need one of those. Wait, lower or bottom? Bottom suspension arm. Because the other one was red. Get that guy here. Front axle knuckle cover is good. And I forgot our hubcaps and our wheel hub bearings. That's okay, we've got them. There's our brake pad, our caliper. Okay, and our we had an extra brake caliper cylinder. Okay, let's get back over there. No, what? There we go. That's what I wanted. Oh, yes, that was our last two. Our last two are for this upper suspension arm here. Right there. Yeah. Front axle knuckle cover, front wheel hub, our wheel hub bearing, brake disc, wheel hub cap, brake pad, caliper with our cylinder, and our tire. All right, we're going to lower her down. I do need to get the exhaust because I want to make sure there is a, I do need to get, what's it, the exhaust? I think I can't put that on until I put the engine in because it connects directly to the manifold, so I don't think I can just throw those exhausts in yet. But I do need one battery. Let's do this fuse box first. 5 C's, 2 B's, and 1 A. We're going to go to our electronics department. Oops. Get our cover. 1 A, 2 B, and then 5 C. 1 A. Get our C's, and then we have red, tan, tan, red, tan, blue. 3 tans, 2 reds, 1 blue. So 1 blue, 3 tans, 2 reds. All right. And there we go. And our top. Perfect. All right, let's get over to our battery. Oh, get our battery in there. So we need windshield washer, reservoir, radiator C, power steering, and our brake servo. Let's go ahead and grab our brake servo since it's over here. Power steering, radiator C, and then our windshield washer, reservoir at the very back. That should be it. And then it's onto the engine. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab that exhaust, just rear muffler D. Rear muffler D. Just so we can have them, because we don't actually have any right now. All right, onto the engine. Let's get this bad boy disassembled. I know it's probably not as cost effective, but I really should probably just start building these engines because this is really, honestly, the majority of the cars that I build are the V8 OHV ones. That would speed up the streams a lot for sure. Oh. Okay, let's get these bad boys off. I like how these parts are like super shiny and clean, but the bolts are rusted. Yet when the parts are like super like dark and dirty and like just crusted over and stuff, no rusted bolts. Like I don't know where they get that from, but okay. Okay. Get this radiator fan off. Oh, 3 rusted bolts. Dang. Okay. Oh, more rusted bolts. Ignition coil off. Timing cover. No rusted bolts on the timing cover, so that's good. What about the nothing? Power steering. Cam gear. Fuel filter. Alright, let's get these rocker arms off. That was only 1 rusted bolt. That's good on this side. Kind of hope for the same for the other one. Let's get these valve push rods out too. I noticed you can't get to the valve push rods on the, I think it was the single overhead valve, had the opportunity to get the valve rods from the inside where the intake manifold is. But not this time. Alright, almost done here. Oops. Come on. There we go. Valve push rods, there we go. Ah, dang it, I shouldn't have. Okay. Last 2. Alright. It's over. We're done with it. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and pull the pistons out since we're already here. Oh, crankshaft, camshaft, engine block. All right. Now, to repairing. Oh, got to repair this twice? Oh, we broke a clip. Hey, that's okay. I'd rather break a clip than like an engine head or like anything, engine block or anything like that, you know? right, on a roll here. Oh, I shouldn't have said anything. The game knew that we were on a roll. Ah. Oh no. Okay. These are the important parts. These are the important parts. Yes! We got the important parts repaired. Sweet. Alright. Let's get that engine block in there. Gonna rotate it. Get the camshaft and the crankshaft installed because those are perfectly 100%. And let's get our pressure plate, our clutch bearing, and our flywheel. And then off to the pistons and the piston rings. We need a V8 OHV filter. 8 of those. 8. Piston with conrod. Okay, we need our serpentine belt A, serpentine belt B, our timing chain, V8 OHV. Oh, hold on. There it is. We need 16 rocker arms because these are all parts that we can't fix. So I'm going to go ahead and grab them now so we're not bouncing back and forth. And I'm not going to forget our water pump pulley. Yeah. All right. We should be good to go for a little bit for a few parts. I don't think we're still missing a few parts, but I'll have to figure out which ones they are. Oh, probably rocker rod caps. That's right. I think I broke a couple rod caps. We'll see. We'll see what I broke. Yep, I think I broke one rod cap. Oh, come on. So we got 3 in there. So we have 5, 6, 7. Wait. Yeah, I broke one. Okay, so I need one rod cap. Let me go grab that really quick. One rod cap. There we go. Should be set. All right. You know what? Since we're already here, we're going to go ahead and put the valve rods in. We're already going to put the rocker arms on because I want to get those out of the way now. So let's do it. We've already got our valve rods. And they're just so tedious, so it's kind of why. Perfect. All right, next. And here we go. Valve push rods. Last rod, last rocker. Well, not last rocker arm. Starting the rocker arms. All right. We need, yes, an exhaust manifold. We're gonna need ignition coils. Is that, we did fix that? Did we fix our? We didn't fix our distributor. Hey, we had a spare one of those. That's pretty cool. Oh, thank you, dogs. Alternator fixed. All right. Cam gear. Wait. There we go. There's our cam gears. I was like, why are we that far away? Now remember, we already got our timing chain. And then our timing cover is fixed. And then we need to grab our fuel filter while we're in the engine section here. There it is. I wish they made the fuel filter a different color. Yep. V8. Where's our OHV exhaust? There it is. Now we need our crankshaft pulley as well. Where you at? There you are. Oh, and our water pump. Because we broke it. V8 OH. Oh, there it is. I almost bought the wrong one. That would not have been good. And we already got our water pump, so we're good there. Oh, someone's driving a motorcycle outside. Serpentine belt. Did we fix the fan? We did fix the fan. Look at that. All right, the front of the engine is done. All right, let's go to our electronics section. We'll get our ignition distributor. We also need our spark plugs. And then we're going to stay here in the electronics section because we are going to need some, I think it's just V8 wires actually, now that I think about it. Yep, V8 wires. Okay. Okay. All right. And we need our clip B because we broke the clip, the one clip. That one should be fixed. Tricky one. Ignition wires. Hey! Did you make said person, make said client pretty, Cater Tot? All right, we need one engine head A. That's the one with the oil filter on it. There it is. Sorry, oil filter. The oil spot for the oil. Carburetor. All right, we fixed both our carburetors. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, sounds good. I'll help you pick out which paint you want to do today. Where is the round? There we go. And then we need the top, and then that is going to be it for this part. Ah. Oh. That's it. All right. So that engine is done. Let's, oh, no, let's go ahead and we're going to put it in the car. Okay. And, actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and do the fluid since we're already here. Rubber bushing. Rubber bushing was the car part you like so much. I can't. I can't. I can't tell. The filter thing was in the way, so I couldn't see. I hope it's. I hope that's filled up enough. Yeah, that was it. And then the oil. Okay, all of that's done. Okay, you keep lurking in your pocket. Thank you for staying. All right, let's get this crane out of the way. We're going to put the exhaust pieces on right here. Let's double check and see if we have an extra gearbox. We don't. I didn't think so. I think we might have sold it. Now that I think about it, I think we did sell it. No big deal. The starter is fixed. The drive shaft is fixed. We should have 100% car parts. Is that correct? Yes! Wow, the frame and interior is at 89%? Man, this definitely was a barn car. This had to have been a barn car. Obviously, you can see that I have some barn maps. I've been visiting a lot of barns lately to try and find a Pagani. Just trying to find a Lotus or a Pagani, if I'm being honest. The body parts are in great condition, so it's going to be a pretty... The headlights and stuff obviously are probably going to have to be fixed, but I mean, hey, I think it costs less. Oh, we're missing some rear lights. Oh, trunk. Yeah, we'll take the trunk, the whole thing. Take the whole thing off. All right, let's go ahead and use. Yeah, still 1,600. All right, so I guess there's just like a base price, just based on the model of the car, not like the condition and how much welding you need to do. So we'll take a look at the aftermarket parts too, because if there's some aftermarket parts that look a little bit cooler, maybe we'll go with that one instead. Okay. All right, so let's put the door on and the trunk. All right. Let's get 2 standard plates because we know we got to get those. And then our body tuning for our DC Typhoon. It's kind of hard to pick, man. I'll be honest with you. I think... Excuse me. Yeah, I think we'll just go with the regular. Yeah, I think the regular will look good, and with either paint style too. I feel like if the bumper is chrome and you put it in like a darker color, it'll look goofy. You know what I mean? So headlights, 100%, front bumper, hood, license plate, last headlight, window, and our side view mirror. Let's double check our frame, body. All right, so interior is the only thing left. I like the... Oh, these are specific seats too, actually, now that I think about it. For the interior for the Typhoon. Yep, there it is. Is there a steering wheel for the Typhoon? There it is. So what they did with the bodies thing, where they designate it per car, they should have done that for the interior, but I can see why they didn't, because you can put any seats you want, right, in the interior. So I mean, if you wanted to, I mean, honestly, I could probably put, like a racing seat in there, for like this. Actually, you know what? Let's see. Let's try. Oops. Let's see what sort of goofy chair we want to put in there. Zonda. Let's see if we can put a Zonda seat in here. I don't know if we can. If we can, that would be... Look at this. Look how ridiculous that looks. Like that. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it actually looks pretty cool. That looks pretty, all right, that does look a little cool. But the red is not gonna, oh great, of course we're sitting in it. No, the red's not going to kind of stick there, so we could get like a, kind of like a racing seat, maybe like that, maybe like a Salem or like an Elise. Nah, let's just leave it like the bucket, because we already bought the bucket seats. It's like gonna be a waste of money if we didn't use them. Nah, I didn't want to do that. I want to put the other seat in there, the Typhoon. Yes. All right. Car is at 100%, or should be. It is. All right. On to let's do the test path first. We'll set up fix the tires. We'll fix the headlights. Up. There we go. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and sell that Zonda seat. We lost $450, but it's okay. I think we'll be all right. Paint shop. All right, now, moment of truth. Do we want silver with the blue stripes, or do we want the metallic blue with the white stripes? Let's take a look at both, and we'll see which one we prefer. There's metallic. Okay, so we've already seen the metallic with the blue stripes. Here's the blue. God, that looks so good. All right, there's the blue stripe. There's the white. Oh, it's got Typhoon written all over the side. It's actually the car that looks like... Oh, no, they don't have the normal white stripes? Oh, so this is what they got. That's it. So either we have Typhoon written all over it, with a white stripe going across, or we go with the blue with the metallic silver. Man, now that that's the only option, I think I'm going to stay with this. This looks nice. I'm going to do this. I mean, if it was that metallic blue with the white, but with the white stripes going down the body, I would probably have picked that one, but man, that kind of stinks. All right. There she is, fully restored DC Typhoon with the factory engine that came with it. sitting at 306 horsepower. If we were to sell it, we would make a profit of 61,000. Not too bad, not too shabby. There's a Smith 1500. I've built so many of these trucks on the stream. I think I have. My YouTube channel has, I think, one where I put a V8, the OHV supercharger in it, and it's probably one of my favorite cars. But first, let's check the junkyard, see if we can find a Zondo or a Lotus. That would be fantastic. Come on, baby. All right, let's look for. I'll still look for the barn map, obviously, because barn maps give you crates. Crates actually gave me a lot of scrap parts too. So, all right. Oh, that was weird. There was no sound to that one. All right, let's keep searching, keep searching. I'm just like really hoping to find a Zonda or something. There's a Camaro or a Corvette. No, yeah, a Bolt. Sorry, Camaro. That's the Camaro body. All right, keep on moving. I did notice when I got the hot rod DLC that this junkyard was full of hot rods. The first two visits, there was a lot of hot rods in there. I was kind of overwhelmed. I didn't want to buy them all because, I think I eventually did buy them all. Now that I think about it, I think I rebuilt all of them except for the Arizona Kid at this point. The Arizona Kid is still in the parking. We might make that, oh, there's our barn map. No more looking in the junk piles. Strictly looking for cars now. Here we go. Hey, there's a Jaeger, an Emden Jaeger. Remember we had the competition build there between the two Jaegers with the different body styles and trying to determine which one looked better. That's a FMW. Panther. That's not a Zonda. All right, we got our barn map. Let's check our barn, and maybe we can find a Zonda. Who knows? We'll see. We'll check a barn. I've got like 6 finds. I know the Zonda and the Lotus. I did see 2 of them in the car auction, but man, I don't know if I want to buy one or not. If we don't find one here, we'll call the stream and I'll keep on. But I am going to look for the crate too as well. Crates. Oh. All right. Ah, there's our crate. Perfect. Now we don't have to look for anything else. We can just, oh, there's a Takumi. A Sakura Takumi. Hey, and an and an old Daddy T hot rod. Look at that guy. He's just so cool, dude. How much does he want for this? 20. He wants 24, and it's estimated at 22. Is the engine in good condition though? I can't see the engine. Okay. Oh, look, I'm examining all these parts. That's pretty dope. I totally forgot you could do this. It gets you experience too. All right, the car is in not that great a condition. A lot of these red parts I'm probably going to have to just scrap. So we're going to hold off on buying that car. But I did have an idea of getting one of those style cars and putting like large rim, like big, like meaty tires on the back, and then like super small, scrawny ones in the front. You know what I mean? So it's like kind of angled forward. That'd be kind of funny. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, this is going to be on. I'll upload it to my YouTube. I haven't uploaded the other restoration build yet, but I will do that today. I totally forgot about it. That's on me. And I will continue my search for a Pagani or a Lotus if I find one. That is the next thing we're doing. That's the next build we're going with. We're going to restore that. Um, Possibly might stream tomorrow or maybe Sunday. So just kind of stay tuned. But until then, you guys have a great weekend and stay awesome.